So we decided to preserve the life stories of or Moʻo of those cultural practitioners as they live Moʻo every day in their cultural practices. And by preserving their stories, life stories, we can contribute to the perpetuation of ancient knowledge and also the innovation based on the application of the Ike Kupuna.
Oho ana ke akua I kana hele hele e alai a e ke ki oho oho e kaua koukou e na ki no malu I kalani malu e hoe e ho ulo mai ana o laka I kona mau ka o mākou noa.
A little girl said, "How long have you been doing this?" And I said, "About 10 years." And she said, "Oh, how old were you when you started this then?" And I said, "Oh, I was 47. Her teacher turns to her and says, "See, you can start something new at any age." Just try it. Doesn't matter how old you are, doesn't matter who you are, doesn't matter if you're Hawaiian, you're not Hawaiian. Just start learning about all of this amazing native stuff and our plants and our resources. Just try it, just do it. And once you do it, then share it, right? Let's just get this knowledge out there.
It's so important we do things for others and not just things for ourselves.